I'm a Midwest girl. I grew up in Michigan, and my education was all the way through there, including Michigan State University, where I graduated with a communications degree. From there, I really went on to go into sales, which suited my background. So my current role at BMS is that I lead the global market access team for cell therapy. What that means is my team essentially clears the path for access for CAR T products for our patients. We have folks who manage our trade and distribution, our patient services, our patient access at the field level, as well as strategy for our cell therapy products within market access. We support our patients essentially along the patient journey from the time they're diagnosed all the way through infusion and post-monitoring. Our apheresis to infusion takes roughly 30 days, so it's a critical point in time for those patients throughout their journey that we act very urgently as well as very specific to each patient's needs. I have the pleasure of working with a really dynamic team with great expertise that puts the patients at the center of everything that we do. When I found out that I was a champion for the Working for Cures, I was truly humbled and shocked. This is a team effort, and I'm fortunate to work with this talented team and the urgency in which they act for our patients. So I'm very honored to represent our entire group in this manner. So expanding patient access for CAR T is critically important. As of today, only 2 in 10 patients that are eligible are receiving CAR T therapy. So we really have to work together to ensure that treatment is not only effective, but is accessible to patients. To address this gap in care, we're challenging the current practices. So we work with the payers in US government as well as the commercial payers. We work with the providers and we work with patient organizations to remove those barriers by both educating and providing solutions that are more equitable for patients to receive CAR T in the United States as well as worldwide. Partnering with stakeholders across the healthcare ecosystem, we're leading initiatives that are designed to ease the patient's burden without sacrificing safety or efficacy for those patients. We are really committed within the communities, both in the United States as well as worldwide, to provide greater access for our patients to CAR T. For me, working at Bristol Squibb is truly an honor and humbling because I get to bring medications to people who need it the most. My name is Phung, Osborn, and I work for Cures.